Fisher class. Today your maths home learning is going to be to make your very own number track, and I'm going to show you how. You will need an empty cereal packet and a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, doesn't matter, but you will need scissors, pen and sellotape or glue. Okay, so if you open your cereal packet up and then cut along the edge so you can open it up completely flat. And lay it completely flat. Then I'm going to cut the flaps off at one end to make it nice and neat. And I'm going to use one of these flaps as my ruler. And I'm going to draw a line along like this, as I move the piece of paper up. Now I'm going to make some tracks, and so my tracks are all the same size. I'm just going to do a little line on here and then measure. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to stop there and then do another line above it. And then I'm going to put my little lines in like this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to draw my lines down like this to make some boxes. I'm going to do that all the way along. So now I'm going to cut along here, down here, and then down here. If you're using glue, when you cut your strips, make sure you leave an overhang so that you can glue them, your number line, your strips together. See what I mean in a moment. If you put your glue on one side, have your number track like that. Now you need to join your tracks together. I'm going to use some sellotape. If you haven't got sellotape, you could use glue. I'm just going to stick them together like this. And turn them over, and then we are going to write our numbers on them to make our number track. Okay, so we are going to start with number 1 at this end, and I'm going to write all my numbers to 20. And now you will have made your very own number track going from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're going to be using these number tracks for some of your home learning in the coming days.